Meaning of gloom.
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 Gloom. The term gloom refers to a state of darkness, sadness, or hopelessness. It is often associated with a sense of heaviness or oppression, and can be caused by a variety of factors such as loss, disappointment, or uncertainty. When we experience gloom, we may feel lethargic, unmotivated, and weighed down by our emotions. However, it's important to recognize that gloom is a temporary state, and that brighter days are always ahead. By seeking out support from trusted friends and loved ones, as well as practicing self-care techniques such as meditation or exercise, we can overcome feelings of gloom and move towards a more positive outlook on life.